Basketball, the ISSA Rural Zone Under-16 Schoolboys final is going to a deciding Game 3 after Manchester High made use of home court advantage to tie the series at 1-1 following their 56-43 win over Herbert Morrison on Friday. Herbert Morrison had taken the lead after a 57-36 win at home on Monday, but Manchester came out with a purpose at home on Friday and quickly jumped to a 15-7 first quarter lead. The second quarter was more balanced, but still saw the home team edging it with a 13-11 performance to lead 28-18 at the half. There was little between the teams in the second half as Manchester High held on to take the third quarter 11-10 and the fourth 17-16 to win the contest by a 13-point margin. Wasim Windert was the main man for Manchester High with a game-high 21 points, while Jaquan Palmer, who had 14 points and 11 rebounds in Game 1, followed up with another double-double, 17 points and 22 rebounds. Meanwhile, Game 2 in the Under-19 finals between Manchester High and Homewood Technical was not played due to rain. Manchester High lead the series 1-0 after a dominant 102-61 victory in Game 1.